Hello, everyone. Again, my name is Belyi, and I'm from Burundi. I'm leading BTC Shule, also Free Tech Institute. So BTC Shule is a Bitcoin seeker economy which is located in Gitega, in a village which is called Wineko, which is also my native village where I was born. So we are working with people, mainly with kids and adults at the same time. Oh. Oh. So I'm going to show you how Bitcoin is helping our community and why we decided to bring Bitcoin in our community and how it is working, and also why it is called Bitcoin seeker economy. So we have different problems in Burundi. I don't know if you heard about Burundi before, but we have hyperinflation. Like our currency is not strong and stable. We also have problem with banks. For example, the community where we are working is unbanked, and the closest bank is at 10 kilometers away from where we are located. There's also a problem of transferring money, which is expensive. We also have problem of network, which is unstable. So we are working mainly with two categories, as I told you. We are working with kids. So we teach them. You see, we use Blackboard and stuff. Can see here, but it is in French. Can see like this is the teacher for the kids. I don't know whether you can read, but this is Bitcoin stuff. But we are using Mi Prime Bitcoin curriculum. So how it is working? So we get support, and we educate people, those kids, about Bitcoin, but also about personal development, how they can grow in their life. And we give them SAT as a reward, as proof of work when they participate in the classes. And also, at the same time, we teach them how they can either spend the SAT that we give them or stack them for their future. We even have merchants. I'm going to come back to that. We are also working with parents. And as I told you, like a big percentage of people living in the village are doing farming. We are teaching them how to farm vegetables, but also how to prepare fertilizer using the local product. So we also teach them how to make a vertical garden. You can see how can you manage a small space so that you can farm vegetables for eating, but also for selling. So we also give them SAT as proof of work when they participate in training, but also when they show that they have when they farmed vegetables. And also we teach them how to use those SAT to buy, but also there are people who collect vegetables in the community and who sell vegetables for SAT. They are buying. Those people are selling vegetable for SAT, but also they are selling for SAT, and people who are selling are selling for both SAT and fiat because the customer are not only Bitcoiners. So far, we worked with so far we already have 5 active shops. 5 active shops. We worked with more than 200 unbanked people, like combining the group of family of people that we are working with. We so far certified more than 80 people, and we have more than 50 active garden for those people. So those are people. We also have merchants who accept payment in the village. Thank you.
Awesome. You see, if I just give you guys 2 more seconds, you're done. I almost cut him off, but luckily, thank you very much for that. That was amazing. That's a lot of merchants.